Hello friends, this is Tajammul Adil. Today I'm unboxing iPhone 12 Pro and Apple launched this with silver, graphite, gold and Pacific blue. I have iPhone 12 Pro Pacific blue with 128 GB and I will do complete setup process step by step. I hope it's very helpful for new iPhone users, so let's go and explore. Let's notice and see the difference of two boxes of iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone XR. Maybe you are noticing it, how small is this iPhone 12 box is, because Apple didn't include the charging adapter or AirPods. Compare the thickness of phone boxes from previous year's iPhone XR box, which is bigger as compared to iPhone 12 Pro. So you can see iPhone here and I love its matte finish which looks so wonderful to me, but there is no protective cover on the back, just on the front side. This time on iPhone 12 they introduce a new paper protective cover which looks awesome. So just take a look at here, and sides are all stainless steel like iPhone 11 Pro except the flat designs, and its design is very similar like iPhone 4 or iPhone 5 designs, but they improve a lot from those designs. Let's jump into what they have in the box. We have this lightning cable which is a USB charging cable, and if you don't have charging adapter or you don't have an old iPhone charger, so in this case you need to buy from Apple store, but I have already couple of iPhone charging adapters, so it's not a big issue for me. The other we have some documents which include SIM tool, and we have a sticker. So I'm going to power it up for the first time and will guide you step by step its configuration process. So select English and then select your country. I'm selecting Saudi Arabia. Let's go to manual process and will guide you all process. It will take some time to configure iPhone 12 Pro. Press continue and let's connect to your Wi-Fi connection. So let me select my Wi-Fi connection. So it's connected and click next. Activating iPhone might take some time for you because nowadays everyone is activating iPhones. Now press continue for data and privacy. So far I'm skipping this Face ID process because it took some time to configure, but later on you can do this process. Let's create a secure passcode for your iPhone and confirm it. After confirm the passcode, you receive an option of app and data. There you get multiple options like you can restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC using iTunes. If you have backup you can restore from it, transfer data directly from other phone. If you already have iPhone, you can transfer easily by using Scan iPhone. Also you can transfer data from any Android phone. But now I'm going to select don't transfer app and data. If you don't have an Apple ID, then you need to create new Apple ID, and I have already, so I'm using it here. You can do customized express setting as well, but I'm pressing continue. Press continue. On Apple Pay you can set up with your debit card, but now I'm skipping this process. Press continue for iCloud keychain. For Siri I'm skipping this process. For screen time I'm selecting continue option. For app analytics I'm skipping this option because I'm not Apple developer. True tone display you can custom setup, but I'm pressing continue. iPhone gives the option of light and dark appearance, but I'm selecting light appearance which looks cool to me. Display zoom, if you want to see icons and text in bigger size, then you can select zoomed option, but I go for standard option. Finally, your iPhone 12 Pro is ready to use, and swipe up and enjoy the experience. You can see the iPhone 12X and iPhone 12 Pro screen differences. Now let's see the iOS versions of both phones. 12 Pro has iOS 14.1 by default, which is launched before couple of days, whereas iPhone 10 has iOS 14.0.1 version. Also, I'm uploading iPhone 12 Pro review video in couple of days. If you have any inquiry, do ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.